Welcome to Data Analysis Methods. This is a statistics course, but don't be alarmed. I'm Dr. Alicia Brannon-Little, and I will guide you through the whole process. If you have questions, you're more than welcome to send me an email. I will reply within 24 hours or less. If you send me a message any other way, I will not receive it until the following day. I am usually on the computer early morning. If you have a question in the mornings or maybe even early afternoon, then go ahead and send me an email and I will reply within 24 hours. However, if you send it late in the day, I will not get it until the next day. If it's something that I have to get on the computer for, then I will reply the following day, unless it's early morning. This will be an exciting class for you guys. It is a couple of things that you have to be made aware of. One is that it is math, so don't be hesitant in contacting me if you have any questions. There are step-by-step procedures for you to follow, so hopefully you will be able to easily understand the course materials. The other item is a paper that you'll need to write. It is a little more time consuming, so you do want to start on it during week one and maybe just gradually work on it throughout the process. The paper is your article summary assignment, usually posted around week 4. So please get a head start on looking at that. In the meantime, welcome to Data Analysis Methods, and I look forward to learning and teaching you in this class.